good people of the internet, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who haven't been here before, hi, my name is Anna and I hope that you stick around. I am not naked. I have a corset on, just so we're clear. Like I mentioned in one of my videos before Christmas, and also the reason why there weren't any more videos before Christmas is that I've been doing a project that has taken up a lot of my time, my mental capacity, my creativity, etc. And right after New Year's was launch day, but now it's out. So for all Norwegian speakers and all of my Norwegian followers, I've launched my very own online makeup course. So if you're interested in checking into that, I will put the link somewhere here and also in the description box below. Since now I have a little more time on my hands and haven't really known what to fill that time with, and also because of some personal issues, I thought, why not get back into filming and get those creative juices flowing again. I gotta be honest, I have been stuck in a creative rut for quite some time, and especially now after launching day, I feel completely depleted of creativity. So I'm trying to reel all the creativity that I can back in, starting with this video. I know this trend has been circulating the clock app for a hot minute, but better late than never, right? So without further ado, I thought I'd combine two of my greatest passions here in life, which is makeup and a passion that I haven't really spoken out about, that only a select few know how hard I ride for it: astrology. So this makeup look is based on my rising sign. And you know the drill. If you want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. So I've already done my skincare, but it is that time of the year again where the air is dry because it's hot and cold interchangeably, on top of heading towards a new season, so I needed some added moisture. This particular primer has a little glow to it, and that will help with the glow from within look I intend to go for, because intention is important. I also go in with an actual glow primer to get some even more added glow, and this is a perfect dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Hollywood Filter. Then to blend that out, I actually use a flat top kabuki brush. Next up is concealer. I don't want like a full cover, but I want more of a natural looking coverage, if that makes sense. So I place a dot of a lighter concealer in my inner eye, a small swipe in the outer corner, around the nose, a dot on my chin, and a small dot on my forehead. Then I take another concealer that is closer to my actual skin color, which is a bit weird right now because I have self-tan, my regular color, as well as vitiligo, a fun little trifecta. Anyways, I place this on my cheeks right next to my nose, as well as a bit underneath my cheekbone for some free contouring, as well as right next to that dot on my forehead. Now, since my shade is a bit funky right now, I'm taking a third concealer and just repeating the spots of the first concealer, only in smaller quantities. And now we blend. I use my tried and true, the Old Faithful beauty sponge. That is a hill I will die on, because I do feel a beauty sponge, or any spongy material in general, gives the best finish. I always use this on myself, and if I do use brushes on my clients, I always go over with a sponge to press everything into the skin, because I do feel that a beauty sponge gives the best looking natural finish. I have probably already given away my rising sign in the title, but my rising sign is known for their more defined facial features. So of course we have to do some contour. This past, I want to say year, I've really fallen in love with this contour stick by Makeup Mecca. I don't go too hard on the contour, so I do a small line under the cheekbone, on the forehead, and of course a little on my nose. And then I blend. For this, I have come to like using a kabuki brush to blend it out. Then I do go over it with a beauty sponge if I feel like I need it. on a powder puff, I take a translucent setting powder and set where I could crease and get mimic lines, such as underneath my eyes and around my nose, on my forehead, and around my mouth. Because I am dry and a bit extra, I also go in with a foundation powder that also has some glow to it, just for the glow without being too shiny. I'm not going too hard on the bronzer, but I just want to go over my forehead, a bit on my cheekbone, and on my nose. For blush, I want to keep it light because, spoiler alert, there will be a lot going on my eyes. Then when that is done, I spray my face with some setting spray to make everything melt into the skin, of course. Moving on to eyes, I take a brown reddish eye pencil and create a small wing from the outer corner of my eye. I just drag it up towards my temple. This is a trick if you find creating a wing hard. Use an eye pencil and draw a small line from the outer corner of your eye and drag it up towards the temple. Then, when you are satisfied with your wing, you go over with a liquid liner. Then I take a pencil brush and smoke this liner out a bit. I'm working everything from this liner from now on. Because this sign is known for their sultry eyes, I take the same eye pencil and put it on both my upper and lower waterline. If you have trouble with your eyes running when you put something on your waterline, that is because you're most likely putting it over your tear duct. So your eye will create tears to protect your eyes, hence the running. Avoid putting product on top of the two holes you see in the inner corner of your eye, because these are your tear ducts. Every time I've smudged out the liner, I also go over it with a fresh coat of the eye pencil. And smoke it out one more time with this pencil brush. I also go in with a shadow stick that I apply the same place where I did the eye pencil, but I also drag this a little more towards the inner corner of my eye. And again, I use the pencil brush to smudge and smoke it out. Then I do the same procedure on the lower lash line. Now, to make this all seamless and cohesive, I go over everything with a bit of bronzer that I also work through my crease. This also ties the face together with the eyes and enhances the sultry look that we're going for. And again, when everything is smoked out, I go over to enhance that liner.
For what I consider the fun part, I go in with a metallic shade that is 1 or 2 shades lighter than the other shadow, and for the added metallic effect, I spray it with some setting spray and work that from the inner corner of my eye and drag it up to the crease and about 2/3 of my lid. Because I really want to define the eyes, not just smoke them out, I go in with a thin line of liquid liner that I trace along the line we've already created. Then, to save some time, well, not even seconds to you, I'm doing my lashes and mascara off camera, and boom, they're there. Since there's so much going on with the eyes, I'm going in with a more subtle lip and use this nudish lip liner as well as a nude lipstick. I also top it off with some lip gloss, and we're done. This is a makeup look based on my rising sign, which is a Scorpio. And if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Bye!